Are you tired of feeling stuck in the exact same repeating cycle every single year? Do you watch another year pass by, feeling like you have accomplished absolutely nothing significant? Your goals feel more distant now than they did 12 months ago, don't they? That internal voice telling you that you are destined for more is getting much quieter. This feeling of stagnation is a poison that you have been slowly drinking every day. Enough is enough. Today we install the ultimate 2026 reset protocol into your life. This isn't another list of vague resolutions that you will abandon in just 2 weeks. These are 15 non-negotiable systems designed for a complete identity transformation before the year 2026. Each step is a concrete action, a gear in a machine of unstoppable personal growth. We will rebuild you from the ground up, starting with your foundational daily life habits. Watch until the end because the final habit is the most important one of them all. First, we conquer your sleep by making your bedroom a device-free sanctuary after 9 p.m. This means no phone, no laptop, and absolutely no mindless scrolling before you go to bed. Blue light from screens suppresses melatonin production, which is your body's natural sleep-inducing hormone. Without quality sleep, every other effort you make towards self-improvement is fundamentally completely useless. Contrast this with waking up groggy, unfocused, and mentally behind before your day even starts. Mastering your sleep is the non-negotiable foundation for energy, clarity, and overall peak daily performance. Second, upon waking, you will drink 1 liter of water before any coffee or any food. Your body is severely dehydrated after 7 or 8 hours of sleep without any liquids. Rehydrating kickstarts your metabolism and immediately improves your cognitive function and your physical energy levels. This simple action tells your brain that the day has officially started with powerful discipline. Most people reach for caffeine first, which only further dehydrates their already internally stressed system. You will start your day with a net positive instead of beginning in a deep deficit. Third, you will get at least 10 minutes of direct morning sunlight within your first hour. This is not about warmth, it is about the light signal to your brain's clock. This exposure sets your circadian rhythm, telling your body it's time to be alert and awake. It drastically improves your mood, your focus, and even the quality of your sleep later. Failing to do this leaves your body in a state of groggy biological time confusion. This habit costs nothing but provides an enormous return on your energy and your mental clarity. Fourth, you will dedicate 20 minutes each morning to focused, uninterrupted deep reading of books. Scrolling social media does not count, as that is simply just passive content consumption. Reading actively engages your brain, building new neural pathways and expanding your overall mental models. This habit compounds over time, making you a more intelligent and more insightful individual daily. Imagine having a vast library of wisdom in your head versus a feed of fleeting trends. You are building an intellectual fortress that will serve you for the rest of your life. Fifth, we implement a strict no phone for the first hour of the day rule. Your morning mind is calm and creative, do not pollute it with other people's emergencies. Starting your day by reacting to notifications and emails immediately puts you in a defensive state. This allows you to set your own agenda for the day instead of reacting to others. This single habit will give you back control over your focus and your daily emotional state. Protecting your first hour is the ultimate power move for winning the rest of your day. Sixth, you must engage in at least 30 minutes of moderate physical activity every day. This is not about building a perfect body, it is about managing your internal state. Exercise releases endorphins and BDNF, which act as natural antidepressants and improve brain function. It metabolizes stress hormones like cortisol, clearing your mind and reducing your overall daily anxiety. A sedentary life creates a stagnant mind and body, breeding lethargy and also chronic disease. Your physical state is a direct reflection of your mental discipline and your personal standards. Seventh, you will practice a 5-minute daily journaling habit to process all of your thoughts. Simply write down what's on your mind without any judgment, filter, or specific end goal. This practice externalizes your worries, turning them from abstract fears into solvable, concrete problems. It provides immense clarity and helps you to identify your own negative thought patterns over time. Without this release, your mind becomes a cluttered space of unprocessed stress and circular thinking. Journaling is the cheapest and most effective form of therapy that you can possibly get. You are doing great. Take a deep breath now, as the next habit separate the amateurs from masters. 8th, you will spend 1 hour each day learning a high-value skill with zero distractions. This could be coding, sales, writing, or anything that increases your market value and worth. The brain's neuroplasticity means it can always learn, but it requires deep, focused effort. This single habit is your ticket out of your current income bracket and career ceiling. Most people waste this hour on entertainment that provides no long-term benefits or growth. You are actively building an asset that nobody can ever take away from you in life. 9th, you will conduct a ruthless digital detox by unfollowing all negative or useless accounts. Your social media feed is a direct reflection of your mind and your future aspirations. Every piece of content you consume either moves you forward or holds you firmly back. This act of curation removes mental clutter and protects your focus from continuous outrage culture. A polluted information diet leads directly to a polluted and unfocused mind and unproductive life. You must become the merciless gatekeeper of the information that enters into your own brain. 10th, you will implement a weekly dopamine fast for one entire 24-hour period. This means no social media, no junk food, no music, no video games, no vices. Modern life has rewired our brains to crave constant, easy stimulation, destroying our focus. This reset allows your dopamine receptors to heal, restoring your ability to enjoy normal activities. It teaches you to find satisfaction in stillness and hard work, not cheap entertainment. This practice is difficult, but it will rebuild your baseline for happiness and for motivation. 11th, you must schedule and honor a thinking time of 30 minutes, 3 times a week. This is dedicated time to sit in silence with a notebook and think about your life. Our constant busyness prevents us from ever gaining perspective or solving our biggest life problems. This strategic pause is where you will find your best ideas and your clearest solutions. Without this, you are just an operator running on a faulty program you never wrote. Clarity does not happen by accident, it is a result of intentionally scheduled deep thought. 12th, you will perform a weekly review every Sunday to plan the upcoming 7 days. Look back at what worked and what didn't, then schedule your priorities for next week. This process turns you from a reactive victim of circumstance into a proactive life architect. It ensures your daily actions are always aligned with your most important long-term life goals. Most people drift through life without a map, wondering why they never reach their destination. This simple habit is the steering wheel for your life, giving you ultimate directional control. 13th, you will audit your 5 closest relationships and remove any toxic influences immediately. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most amount of time with. Energy vampires, critics, and negative people will sabotage your growth, intentionally or unintentionally. This is not about being cruel, it's about protecting your own mental and emotional energy. Surrounding yourself with ambitious, positive people is the fastest way to elevate your own standards. Your environment, especially your social circle, will either build you up or tear you down. Choose your associations wisely, as your future self is directly depending on these choices. 14th, you will create an automated financial system that pays your future self before anyone else. This means a percentage of every paycheck goes directly into savings and investments automatically. This removes emotion and willpower from the equation of building your long-term wealth. Relying on leftover money to save is a guaranteed strategy for staying poor your entire life. Financial stress is one of the biggest destroyers of mental peace and personal potential. This system builds a foundation of security that frees your mind to focus on growth. It is the ultimate act of self-respect, honoring the hard work you do today. 15th, you will end every single day by writing down one thing you are grateful for. This is the final, and most critical, piece of this entire reset protocol system. This simple practice trains your brain to scan for positives instead of focusing on negatives. Gratitude is scientifically proven to reduce stress, improve sleep, and increase overall life happiness. A mind that is constantly focused on lack cannot create a life of true abundance. It shifts your entire perspective from one of victimhood to one of profound personal power. This final habit is the glue that holds all of your other new efforts together. Remember this core truth: consistency will always defeat short bursts of intense, fleeting motivation. To commit to this complete transformation, comment with the 2 words, Reset 2026, below now. Your new future is not found. It is built, one disciplined day at a time.